Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. I hope you do remember what we have learned in previous lesson. You can always watch the lesson again and revise. Alright, now let's begin with our today's lesson. So, we say fireworks. In English we say fireworks and in Urdu it is Atish Bazi. Atish Bazi. Atish Bazi. Atish Bazi. Fireworks. Atish Bazi. Repeat and revise, alright? Okay, now let's see. I hope you do remember how to say ye in English. We say this in English and in Urdu, ye. Then we say that in English and in Urdu, wo. I hope you do remember that. Alright, here there is something important I want to tell you. In English we say it and that also in Urdu is ye or wo. It could be ye or it could be wo as well. It depends if you are talking about thing near or far. So, if English you say it, it could be in Urdu ye or wo as well. Okay? So do remember that. This, ye, that, wo, and it could be ye and wo both. Do remember that. It's going to help you in speaking in Urdu. Alright? Okay, now let's learn to say up. In English we say up and in Urdu upar. Upar. Up. Upar. Then down. In English we say down and in Urdu it is niche. 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 Let's repeat one more time. Up in English and in Urdu upar. Then down in English and in Urdu niche. Do repeat and learn, alright? Okay, now we say it is up. And in Urdu it is ye upar hai. Ye upar hai. Remember we just have learned that it in Urdu is ye or it could be wo. So the sentence could be wo upar hai. It could be ye upar hai or wo upar hai. It depends if you are talking about something which is near or far. Alright? Do remember that. Then we say it is down. And in Urdu it is ye niche hai. Or it could be wo niche hai. Again, it depends if you are talking about something near or far. Do remember that, okay? Now let's repeat one more time. It is up. Ye upar hai. Or wo upar hai. Then it is down. In Urdu, ye niche hai. Or wo niche hai. Repeat and revise, okay? Alright, now let's learn another number in Urdu. We have already learned from 1 to 27. Now let's learn number 28 in Urdu. In English, 28 and in Urdu, 28. 28. Repeat and revise, alright? Count from 1 to 28 several times and you will learn better. Alright? So this is the end of our today's lesson. Watch the video again and revise. I will see you with next lesson, inshallah. Till then, take care of yourself. Remember in dua. Allah Hafiz.